Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you've joined me today. This time, I wanted to simply sit down and talk a little bit about part of my daily routine, specifically how I use my manual breast pump. It might look like something minor, but honestly, it's become a really meaningful ritual in my day. Before I begin, I usually take a minute to get settled and comfortable. I pick a quiet corner, sometimes I'll play some gentle music, or I just enjoy a few moments of silence. It really helps me relax, and that calm mindset makes such a big difference. Then I carefully position the pump and start expressing milk slowly, moving at my own comfortable pace. There's no rush, no pressure, just letting my body find a rhythm that feels natural. What I appreciate most about this is how soothing the whole experience is. It feels like a small break in the day that's just for me and my baby. And honestly, there's something truly beautiful about watching the milk gradually fill up.